Oh, well, I done messed up. Yeah, guys, not super cool. I actually ripped my hair system. You see this baby right here. I think of this as something that's repairable, but you know, honestly, it is a pretty bad rip. This is something that I could have solved, and I have done in the past, but I've got a lot of backup hair systems kind of like ready to fire right now. And I decided, like, you know what? Summertime, I'm changing my look. We're doing something different. We're going short, baby, easy to maintain. Love it every single day. Gotta love it. So we're gonna be transitioning, and so yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna try a new look. So we're gonna go from our before, which is a little bit longer style, a little bit longer on the sides, and I think we're gonna get it cut down. No guarantees. I might change my mind before tomorrow. I had to make an emergency appointment to get this puppy handled, but I am very, very excited, and we'll talk about the specifics of this hair system after the fact. We'll take you along for the journey. Let's get to it, shall we? Boom, baby. That's right. We're going with a different hairstyle now than I've ever gone with before, and I'm a little nervous about it. Be kind in the comments about what you think. It's kind of a disconnected hairstyle. This is day 2 with the style. So I got it last night, slept on it. I haven't washed it, so it might be a little bit messy. I don't know what it looks like behind, but I'm gonna turn around. Let's see. So as I said, it's a disconnected hairstyle. So we got kind of like a fade on the side, and I know this looks a little bit weird just because like I need to actually put a little bit of product in it. But we got a fade on the side, blends in here. But to be honest, well, okay, so here's what I know. My girlfriend loves it. She says this is awesome. Like, I need to keep going back to this dude, and that he kills it and he makes it look really, really good. Now this hair system as well has some unique features to it. So it's a little bit lighter density than what we're used to, which I'm really starting to, I mean, I just love this look right here. It's really nice, the density of it. Of course, we have blonde highlights throughout, so you can see that there's a little bit of differentiation inside of the color, right? We got like a streak right here. There's some streaks down in through here, all the way in and around it. And I'm feeling like it's looking pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty good. So, this right here is a full poly unit. It's 0.03. That's actually what I've been using for a while now. I still love hybrids. I think that they're amazing, especially for those that are active. But yeah, I've just been rocking the simple poly for a while and testing it out, see what I think of it. And it's pretty good. During the summer, it's definitely better to go with a hybrid unit, in my opinion. It's a little bit cooler. Yeah. Anyways, though, so tearing your hair system is never fun. And I did not mean to do that the other day. I was just going about reinstalling my hair systems like I usually do, and I don't know what exactly happened. I was just doing what I usually do and just tearing the tape off, and it completely teared the system in the back. I probably could have gotten a little bit more time out of it, but I have like 4 or 5 extra systems in my closet, and decided it's time to change this up, and I don't need to hold on to this system for as long as possible. Sometimes you do need to do that. And if you don't have extra systems, if you don't have the money, listen, you need to do what you need to do. There's ways to repair it. I've made videos on that. I'll make more. But with this one, just decided to go ahead. What did I learn? Always be careful. I probably got a little bit too cocky. I probably just, you know, went a little bit too hard on it, and I need to take a step back, be a little bit more gentle with my hair systems, especially these 0.03 units. They're very sensitive. They're easy to tear. It is what it is. Anyways, let me know what you think of the new look. We kind of got the part in the center, which is a new thing for me. I haven't really rocked that before, but let me know what you think of that, what you think of this slightly disconnected look from the sides. I'm not saying it's an undercut, but it's pretty close. Anyways, I'll catch you guys soon.